In this program, we will learn how to use integer format specifiers in practical scenario of C++. So we are going to start a program that will use %d and %i, that is decimal and the integer type, both of these format specifiers. So we are going to use program to use integer format specifiers. I have written this comment just to show what we are going to do in the rest of our code. So the first step is to write preprocessor directive, that is hash include stdio.h. The next step is to write main function, that is int main. Now we need to write the body of the program. Now we want to use integer format specifiers. So for our simplicity case, we will take only two variables here, that is int a, b. Right? Now we are using output function, that is printf. Okay, here we are using escape sequence, that is /n. If you remember, /n is basically used to go to the next line. So we are using also escape sequence in our code. Enter the value of first variable, that is a. At the end, we use statement terminator, that is semicolon. Now, in order to take the value of a from the keyboard, we need to use input function, that is scanf. Now, we are using here a format specifier, that is %d. Then we are using ampersand symbols just to take value from the keyboard, terminating it with a semicolon. Now, %d is showing the format specifier of variable a, that is decimal. Means it's taking integer type value. Okay, now we need to take this value of variable b. So firstly we need to use the output function, that is printf function. Again we are using a escape sequence /n. Then enter the value of b. So terminating it with a semicolon. Now we need to enter this value from the keyboard. So we will use input function, that is scanf. Now we are using a format specifier, and this time we are using the format specifier of b as %i. Means it's integer type format specifier. Now we again write variable b, terminating it with the semicolon. So this is all. Now we need to save this code. Program to use integer format specifiers. Integer format specifier. Now click on compile button. You can see here there are no errors in this code, no warnings. Now you will click on compile and run. Now you can see that now the first line of our output is displayed from the second line. You can see here there is a difference between this code and the previous ones. Now you can see here this is because we have used \n, that's why our first line is displayed from the new line. Now I am entering, let's suppose, the value of 2. Again you can see here with a difference of one line it's showing enter the value of b. Suppose I am entering the value of b as 5. Now you can check here that we have inserted two integer type values, that's why it's showing me decimal and integer type values here. So this is all about how to use integer format specifiers in our programs.